Africa Content TV.
Your Excellency, the acting national chairman of our party, Ambassador Engr. Your Excellency, the presidential candidate of our party and the former Vice President of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, GCON. Your Excellency, the acting chairman, PDP Board of Trustees, and a former Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Adolphus Wabara. The host governor and my friend and brother, the Governor Bauchi, His Excellency Governor Senator Bala Abdulkadir Mohammed, CON. My colleagues, Your Excellencies, well, something interesting is actually happening here today. We have 13 PDP governors as of today, and all the 13 are present here, either physically or through their deputies. So I want to appreciate all of my colleagues for turning up. This shows that you've taken this retreat as a very serious business. Let me also recognize the National Assembly members-elect, the House of Representatives, senators serving. Well, they are still, they are elect until they are sworn in next week. I think somebody said there that governors elect, no more governors elect. Now you have governors, executive governors, they are already penned in their various states. Also, let me recognize leaders and elders of our party nationally that are present here, members of the National Working Committee, members of various organs of the party that are present here. Well, I'm supposed to give a goodwill message on behalf of my colleagues, the governors of our great party, PDP. Well, I'd like to point something out. First, we went through a grueling election, and whether we want to admit or not, we have issues amongst ourselves during the elections, but you know what? The healing process will have to start, and the healing process will start now. We must focus on things that will unite us. We must, as a matter of urgency, be forward-looking. We have to tell ourselves the home truth. One thing I can say is that for the governors of PDP that are present here, I would say that the governors are willing, they are ready, they are able to play a stabilizing role in this party. And let me end by saying that government will come and go, but our country will remain. And as a responsible opposition, we must, where it is required, do things in the interest of this country. Because if there's no Nigeria, then there's no us. So it is safer to accept the chance that offers itself and extemporize the procedure to fit it, rather than making plans, mature, and then we're waiting for an opportunity to use that plan. So on behalf of PDP governors, I welcome you all to this meeting. Thank you and God bless you.